2019 was such an amazing year. I enjoyed every second of it. Our crochet community grew and grew. You are the force behind my creativity. You inspire me to create new things every day. Thanks to you, we have created this amazing safe space. A space where you can come and learn how to crochet, step by step, slowly but surely, simply, one step at a time. If you decide to hang out with us, I hope you will find yourself at home on my channel. We have been creating beautiful crochet things together for 3 years now, and I sure hope that you will continue with me on my crochet journey for years to come. I post a new tutorial once a week. My tutorials are specially made for visual learners, but you can find my patterns in a written form on my blog as well. I hope to continue to inspire you the same way you inspired me. I'm so looking forward to this next year together. I know 2020 is going to be amazing. I cannot wait to explore the world of crochet together, to learn new stitches, to support each other, to be there for each other, and crochet together. And all that thanks to the love we share for crochet, a love that transcends everything. Life is not a picnic, my friends, but here, when you hang out with me and we crochet together, we forget about all of our worries and go into our crochet zen zone together. So grab your yarn, your crochet hook, hit that subscribe button and come and join our amazing crochet family. And let's make this 2020 year the best one so far. I am so looking forward to crochet with you and for all the tutorials we are going to create together. Cheers to many more tutorials. Thank you for being you. I love you and happy crochet. Mwah.